Welcome back to Trination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with Ipsy.
Yay! We're doing back-to-back videos. I'm just going to say that now. So if you see me without makeup and her with and us in the same clothes, we filmed like 3 videos, 3 or 4 we're going to be filming today.
Oh, I like that. It looks
And
like
I'm actually going to be
on
getting
the front.
Ipsy this month. I didn't cancel it yet just because I liked the free bag they gave me. So it's gone through my account. They charged me for this month. So if this one's good, then maybe I can know right away whether or not to cancel.
So the front says, "Who said nights were for sleep?" At least I think that's what the front is.
Who said nights were for sleep?
Yeah, who said
I
nights
did.
were for sleep?
I was like, I'm tired.
Oh, it says we all need beauty rest, but there's nothing like the weird, inexplicable things that go down when you stay out late. And a post 11 p.m. outing is a killer excuse to take some beauty risks. Tempted? Us too. Here's a few night owl approved ideas to get you started. It says like test drive a vampy lip shade. I'll skip to number 2, which is take a peek at our site or out for unexpected nighttime looks. 3, wear one accessory you never normally wear. We hope your October glam bag inspires endless after dark adventures. Stay wild, moonchild. Anyway, so I read that kind of fast and didn't read the entire thing, but
That was her summary.
I normally don't even, I just skip over those usually, but anyway. Okay, first thing I'm pulling out. Wow, does that look like?
Yay, no, but I want nail polish, even though I have like 100, but
It looks,
I've been trying to change up my nails and they're just short and brown, like different kinds
Does
of
it
brown
look
nails.
dirty to you, or is that just my
No,
imagination?
that's the
color of
pattern.
the,
That's the pattern on it.
And then it's like dented, so
So
I'm
that's, then just whip it out. Whip it
anyway,
out.
so it's Pretty Woman nail polish.
Hashtag your Manny.
Yeah.
Got that.
So I'll take it out because like the box looks like it's falling apart anyway.
That's the only thing, by the way, is that like a couple of my boxes are coming in really late. So my alert came late, and then I think it was my Ipsy something came really late. So
definitely like magenta or
looks like burgundy or wine.
Yeah.
It's pretty, or almost purple.
yeah, like
It's
purple.
pretty.
Okay,
Pretty
there's
pretty.
that. Okay, next thing I am grabbing out is Riza. Is that his name? Beauty? Riza? Beauty?
No idea.
What is, okay, so just looking at it, I would just have to say like a chapstick or lipstick or something. I don't know what this is.
I just found out that my Ipsy was
Oh, it
different
is a
than
lipstick.
yours. So did we film that one? I think we did.
Oh, that's
Or we filmed it
pretty.
with something, because I might get something different than you. So I'd like
If
to
I
know
didn't
what
already
I
have
get.
lipstick on, I would totally try that on right now.
That's pretty.
I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really pretty.
It is pretty.
Now that's like a fall color. So that's what you're
Well,
saying
so
is like,
was-
oh,
yes,
this should be fall.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm into themes.
Fall colors. Okay, the next thing is Verb Manage and Restore Hydrating Mask.
I said I don't like masks. So, well,
Well, this is for the hair.
I know.
And like,
Shower is like not that bad. If it's just like 3 minutes, you leave it on, that's fine. But I hate the ones.
Yeah.
I have this elasticizer I got that's supposed to make your hair stronger with like after shampooing or before shampooing or whatever. But you're supposed to put it on your hair and leave it like 20 minutes with a shower cap. Well, it's like I don't want to go through all the waiting in the shower that long.
Okay, the next thing is Catherine Malandrino. Am I saying that?
Is that a
Nutri
palette?
de New York. Eau de perfume.
Oh, it's a perfume. Oh, I thought those were like the colors in the palette. I was like, cool.
I could like probably
That's
take it
a
out
pretty
and
big
spray it.
size. I mean, for being Ipsy, that's a good. It's like a rollerball size. That's cool.
Should I spray some?
Yeah, I want to know what it smells like. Like, if it, I'll see if it works. I want to like smell like.
It smells good.
Oh, that's nice. I can't think of what it smells like. It's not really floral. It's something else. Musky.
Oh, did I even show that to the camera? I don't even know.
We're really tired. Well, I'm really tired. I don't know about her, but I got like no sleep. So,
Okay.
how about you guys?
The last thing, as far as I know, is Tarte Shape Tape Contour
Ooh.
Concealer.
I've always wanted to try that, and I've never tried it. So, hopefully, I'll get that in mind.
I don't know if you guys can see that. But
If-
so yeah, I like what
if
Kim and
not, I'm gonna
Ipsy
be
this
sad.
month, so that's good. I like all
I know, maybe
this
they're
stuff.
stepping up their game because I like the last one. So maybe I'll keep them and we'll see. I don't know if I'll go back to that Foxy Charm or not. But that was it for this video. Short it out as always. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. Tell your friends we're doing another one at 100 subscribers. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.